माई सेल्फ सोनिया सिंह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर भारती कॉलेज। आज मैं आपके सामने जिस ड्रग के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ वो है हमारी हायोसाइमस। हायोसाइमस जो हमारी ड्रग है, एक्चुअल में सबसे पहले मैं आपको हायोसाइमस ड्रग जिससे हमको ऑब्टेन होती है वो प्लांट का डिस्क्रिप्शन सबसे पहले आपको बताऊंगी, ताकि यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दैट प्लांट और फ्रॉम विच प्लांट we obtain that drug. So Hyoscyamus is the plant which you see looking like a flowering plant, or you see a dhatura plant. Dhatura is a small herb like plant which is overall green plant. तो जो हायोसाइमस प्लांट है वो लुक सिमिलर लाइक जो हमारा प्लांट होगा वो फ्लावर लाइक प्लांट की तरह हमको दिखेगा, मीन्स लाइक फ्लावरिंग प्लांट। ये जो हायोसाइमस प्लांट है वो हमारा फ्लावरिंग प्लांट की तरह दिखता है। ये जो हायोसाइमस फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है इसमें दे हैव a large big leaves, means इसके अंदर large big leaves. They have contained a large big leaves and have a spine-like structure present in a leaf. Look like a dhatura. Like this, they have a very large leaf and they have a dentate-like structure present in the leaves, and they have also spines in their leaves. So in Hyoscyamus plant they are look similar like flowering plant, and they have a big large leaf and they have a spine look like dhatura, and they have contained also a large flower in this, and there are various different varieties of Hyoscyamus plant, and they have a big flower and they have various in color. So they have a various in color. They have various in color. They are pink color, white color, grey color. So many different varieties of Hyoscyamus, various colors according to their variety, various color of their Hyoscyamus flower. So in description of that Hyoscyamus plant is they are a flowering like plant. They have a large leaf with a spines. According to their variety, they have a large. According to their variety, they have a different flowers or different colors. So these are the different characteristic of their Hyoscyamus plant. So next we go through the other different names that is known as synonyms of Hyoscyamus. So they are also known as a henbane. That is also known as a henbane. Henbane is the another name of Hyoscyamus. Next we talk about their biological source. Biological source means from which part we obtain a Hyoscyamus drug. So in Hyoscyamus plant we obtain which organ part as a drug? We obtain a leaf part as a drug. So their biological source is their leaves of Hyoscyamus niger. Hyoscyamus Solanaceae family. So there is a Hyoscyamus is their plant and their botanical name is Hyoscyamus nigrum and they belong to a Solanaceae family. Those plants have a flower containing plant. All those plants are included in a category of Solanaceae family. So which part of plant we use as a drug? We use as a drug of their leaf part and their botanical name is Hyoscyamus nigrum is their botanical name and they belong to which family? And they belong to a Solanaceae family. So these all about their biological source of their Hyoscyamus from where we collect. Next we go through their geographical source. Geographical source means from where we collect Hyoscyamus, or we can say that which places Hyoscyamus should be cultivated. So they are cultivated in Western Asia, North Africa and Europe. These all are the places where Hyoscyamus cultivated more and more, or we can say that these are the places where Hyoscyamus cultivated. Next we talk about their cultivation. Cultivation means from which part Hyoscyamus should be cultivated in the field. So their Hyoscyamus should be cultivated from seed propagation. They should be cultivated from seed propagation method. Seed propagation method means they are cultivated from a seed part and they are prepared a bed of their seedling. Small seed bed raised. Small seed bed is raised of their seed and they are germinated. They are germinated 2 weeks. Means if we cultivated their seed on their field, they are small bed should be prepared, raised. They have how much time they should be taken to germinate their seed bed? They have 2 weeks. Next to talk about their distance between the after their seed bed is prepared, then we collect that particular plant in their field and they should be propagated. Distance between of 2 rows or 2 plants should be a half in meter. So their distance between the 2 plants should be half meter. And the plant is collected. When their plant is collected, or we can say that when we collected their leaf part of their drug, when their flower is growing, when the flower is completely grow up, before that we collect their leaf part. So leaves collected, flowering plant. Leaves collected when plant is flowering. And not their fruiting. Fruiting means they should be collected before fruiting plant and they should be collected after a flowering. Between the fruiting and after active constituent should be developed on that time. So we should be aware for at the time we should collect the leaf spot. Next we go through the morphology of their leaf. Morphology means we collect hyoscyamus leaf. So we discuss here about the leaf. So we see their leaf should be brown in color. Color should be brown. Next, its length should be means that is the length. Its length should be 25 centimeter is length, and their shape is ovate and acute. Acute means their apex. Apex is acute, and their margin is dentate like this. Dentate means kate. They should be dentate, and their smell is characteristic, and they have a taste of acrid. Characteristic means special type of odor means characteristic, and taste should be acrid. Acrid means when we contact with their acrid type of smell, our eyes or our skin should be burning or irritating. That type of nature of drug should be a acrid type of drug. Next we go through their active chemical constituent. Active chemical constituent means which type of active chemical constituent present in the leaf spot. So hyoscyamus is an alkaloidal drug, so their active chemical constituent should be a alkaloidal. So here we discuss about their active chemical constituent. So they have a alkaloidal in nature. They have a hyoscyamus. That means hyoscyamus. Alkaloidal drug is the amine, atropine, and hyoscine. These all are their active chemical constituent which is present in the hyoscyamus. Hyoscine, atropine, and hyoscine. These are the active chemical constituent which is present in the hyoscine. Next we talk about their uses. Uses mean hyoscyamus drug is hyoscyamus leaf part we used in which kind of diseases. This is all about of those active chemical constituent. So because of that active chemical constituent we use that leaf part as a drug in various diseases. So it is used in relief, spasm, and urinary tract, parasymptomatic, parasympatholytic, sedative, antiplasmotic, and anti-asthmatic. asthmatic. So these hyoscyamus leaf you should use in the relief of span, urinary tract, parasymptomatic, sedative, antispasmodic and antispasmodic. Thank you.